Welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to download the latest KB update for Windows 11 released in March 2024. If the update doesn't reflect in your settings app or is failing to install, you can try the manual method to download and install the update on your PC. As you can see that it is displayed in my Windows 11 PC stable version. But if it doesn't do so on your PC, visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website in any web browser. Open the website and then you need to paste the specific KB update number that you want to download. Paste the update in the search bar and press enter to search for it. You will see multiple updates, but if you use Windows 11 23H2, you must download the first one. Click on the download button and then click on the .msu link to initiate the download. Wait for the download to complete and then run the installer file. It will start preparing for installing the update, and then you must follow the on-screen steps to install this update. Since it is already installed on my PC, it displays an error. After that, restart your PC to install this update. That's all for this video, guys. Do like and subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel and share this video with other fellow Windows users. Stay tuned for my next video in which I will describe the changes that have arrived in the Windows 11 March update.